don't worry about it. Importante, you're happy with what you're doing and what you're giving, satisfied ka. And then, ano lang, move forward lang na move forward. Then after that, pag madami ka ng, if you're happy with that, yung sa COA lang, then it's okay. And then, pero kung gusto mo pa ng to go a little higher, to go to the next step, punta ka na ng barangay. Hindi mo kailangang maging opisyales o tumakbong kahit na ano. Hindi mo kailangan maging politiko para makatulong. Kasi usually sinasabi ng mga politiko, andito ako para tumulong. Well, pwede ka rin naman tumulong maski hindi ka magpupolitika.